Feels good. Feels real good. Walking out the old cowboy on my back. First time I've killed a turkey on the spot. Only the second time I've ever hunted. What feels even better is walking out. Turkey's still gobbling. There they went. They've made their way up into that saddle that I was sitting in taking pictures. They started coming up, so I got out of there because they'll be here for later on. I don't want to mess them up. Gorgeous morning. Out we go. Thank you, Lord.